Final round. Missed question corrections. Part 6. Wire sizing. Number 14 wire, 15 amps, 4106 circular mil. 14 wire, 4106 cm. Number 14 wire, 4106 cm. Number 12 wire, 20 amps, 6529 circular mil. 12 wire, 6529 cm. Number 12, 6529 cm. Number 10 wire, 30 amps, 10381 circular mil. 10 wire, 10381 cm. Number 10, 10381 cm. Number 8 wire, 40 amps, 16509 circular mil. 8 wire, 16509 cm. Number 8, 106,509 cm. Number 14, 15 amps, 4106 cm. Number 12, 20 amps, 6529 cm. Number 10, 30 amps, 10381. Number 8, 40 amps, 16,509 cm. Number 14, 15 amps, 4106 cm. Number 12, 20 amps, 6530 cm. Number 10, 30 amps, 10,380. Number 8, 40 amps, 16,509 cm. Number 14, 15 amps, 4106 cm. Number 12, 20 amps, 6529 cm. Number 10, 30 amps, 10,381. Number 8, 40 amps, 16,509 cm. Number 14, 15 amps, 4106 cm. Number 12, 20 amps, 6530 cm. Number 10, 30 amps, 10,380. Number 8, 40 amps, 16,509 cm. Minimum size grounding electrode? Number 8. Minimum size ground, number 8. Minimum size copper service wire, number 8. Smallest copper service wire, number 8. Minimum size aluminum service wire, number 6. Smallest aluminum service wire, number 6. Smallest copper service wire, number 8. Smallest aluminum service wire, number 6. What size wire, to number 12 kW ranges? Number 6. Feed to number 12 kW ranges, number 6. Number 6 will feed to number 12 kW ranges. Smallest wire used in a home? Number 14. Smallest wire used for lighting outlet? Number 14. What size THHN wire? 50 amp circuit rated at 75 C? Number 8. 50 amps, 75 C, number 8 wire. Smallest wire used on duplex receptacle? Number 12. Duplex receptacle, 20 amps, needs number 12 wire. Covered conductor has greater ampacity than TW wire of same size. Covered wire, greater ampacity than TW wire same size. Wire to ground outer cover of coaxial cable should be number 14 and guarded from damage. Number 14 ground for outer cover of coaxial cable, and guarded from any damage. Wire size is decided by length, voltage and amperage. Wire size depends on length, voltage and amperage. Wire size depends on length, volts and amperage. Number 10 AWG as cross-section of 0.008. 10 AWG, cross-section, 0.008. Smallest size wire that can be laid in parallel? 1/0. Smallest size parallel wire? 1/0. 2 wires in parallel laid inside a non-metallic covering, identified by letter D, delta, dog, dual. D. 2 wires in parallel laid inside a non-metallic covering, identified by letter D, delta, dog, dual. D. Knob and tube wires, number 8 or larger, will have tie wires having insulation of equivalent size. Knob tube, number 8 or larger, insulated tie wire of equal size. Connect a network of computers together with Category 5 cable. Connect computers, Cat5 cable. Minimum size wire, on a 9 kW oven. Number 8. Number 8 wire on a 9 kW oven. Max voltage drop allowed on 120 volt line, 6 volt drop, 114 volt remainder. Max allowed volt drop, 120 volt line, 6 max, 114 volt remainder. Max allowed volt drop of 100 feet of number 12 wire at 10 amps, 1.62 volts. 12 wire over 100 feet at 10 amps, max volt drop, 1.62 volts. 12 gauge runs over longer distances. Number 12 wire has higher current than number 14 wire. Max allowed volt drop of number 8 at 70 amps. 4.5 volts every 100 feet. Max volt drop, number 8 at 70 amps, 4.5 volts, every 100 feet. 3-phase, 9 horsepower motor, connected with, number 12 wires. 3-phase, 9 HP motor, 12 wire. 3 number 12 wires on, 9 hours P, 3-phase motor. 20 amp circuit, 4 or more receptacles, minimum rating of 15 amp receptacles. Most 15 amp receptacles will be fine on multi-outlet 20 amp circuit. Rigid non-metallic conduit, needs bushing adapters to protect wires, 4 or larger from abrasion. Rigid non-metallic, needs bushing adapters, protect wires 4 or larger from abrasion. Open wiring, sleeves shall be, in separate sleeve or tube. Open wires mounted on knob and tube, need 10D nails. 125 amp single phase service, 3 wires, minimum wire size is 2 THHN. 125 amp single phase service, 2 THHN. Smallest ground wire on pool light with non-metallic conduit, number 6. Pool light, non-metallic conduit, number 6. Pool light, non-metallic conduit, number 6. Service with number 2 copper, needs number 8 ground. Service 2 copper, number 8 ground. Service 2, 8 ground. Service 2, 8 ground. Service with number 1 or 0, needs number 6 ground. Service 1 or 0, needs 6 ground. Service 1 or 0, 6 ground. Service 1, 6 ground. Service 0, 6 ground. Service 1 or 0, 6 ground. Service with 2-aught or 3-aught, needs number 4 ground. Service 2-aught or 3-aught, 4 ground. Service 2-aught, 4 ground. Service 3-aught, 4 ground. Service 2-aught or 3-aught, 4 ground. Service with 3-aught or 350 MCM, number 2 ground. Service 3-aught or 350 MCM, 2 ground. Service 3-aught or 350 MCM, 2 ground. Service 3-aught, 2 ground. Service 350 MCM, 2 ground. Service 3-aught or 350 MCM, 2 ground. Service with 350 MCM to 500 MCM, needs ground number 0. Service 350 MCM to 500 MCM, 0 ground. Service 350 through 500 MCM, 0 ground. Service 350 MCM through 500 MCM, 0 ground. Service 350 MCM through 500 MCM, 0 ground. Type FCC cable, marked on each end, every 2 feet. Type FCC cable, marked on each end, every 2 feet.